Good morning everyone. Welcome to Philippines. Today, day 5 in the hostel. We are going to the special place. It is a private viewpoint. Only the owner knows about it. We are going to check it out. Past 4 days, I'm trying to go over there. Because of the rain, we couldn't settle it. But today, little bit fine climate, so we are going to check it out. Okay. We are moving from the hostel right now. It was about 15 minutes tuk-tuk ride to reach the place. Along the way, you can see so much of sceneries. From the base, the trekking was 20 minutes time to reach the top. The first 10 minutes going to be very hard because you are walking uphill. At the same time, you are walking into the jungle. Along the way, lot of up and downs. Since it was rainy season, the place was very muddy, at the same time very slippery. You need to be very careful. Good exercise in the morning. If you come over here, definitely I recommend this. I haven't seen the view yet, but still, if you are love nature and hiking, trekking, I highly recommend this. Look at that. For this, I almost waited 4 days because of the rain. We couldn't come over here. I like to take a drone shot, but today luckily the sun came out. We are trying it. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. And one more thing, this trekking is very exclusive. If you stay in Lechen Garden Hostel only, you can come over here. Because public people, nobody knows about it. So I'm lucky we are going to explore this one. Look, still we are climbing. There's sunrise over there. Wow. Look at that. Halfway. I can see the grassland. It's going to be fantastic. We are halfway. I can see the grassland also there. Look like a viewpoint. There is also have grassland. One viewpoint, two viewpoint. But this is the highest one. We are going to the shoulder first, then we climb. Look at that behind me. Look at the view. Fantastic view. In the early morning.
You can see the whole island.
You can see the entire island from here.
Yes.
Wow. Seriously.
Did you see the building over there?
Yeah.
That's the viewpoint.
Yeah, chocolate here.
So we are higher than that.
That's it.
That's it.
So officially this is the top.
Yeah.
Look at that. Around 20 minutes hike. It's a very good hike. Let's fly the drone up.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
This is my exclusive hike, exclusive mountains, and Legend Garden Hostels. If you want to stay in Legend Garden Hostels, you can come up here. Middle mountain in this whole island. Thank you.
So guys, this is a highly recommended trekking. You should come over here. The view was fantastic. If there is no rain, you will see the beautiful island. Surrounding 360 views of the whole island. You can see the chocolate hills, everything. Because this is the highest place right now. So you can see the whole island. I highly recommend it. So don't miss it. So thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in the next video soon. Bye.